poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today I'm sharing with you guys another knotless box braid video. Today I'm going to be talking about my favorite braiding hair to use for the knotless box braids. A lot of you guys have been asking me, and so I'm super excited to share with you guys. On my channel a while ago, I shared a list of a bunch of products that I love to use, and I'm always just trying new stuff because you just never know. I'm also like a product junkie, so if I see something and I'm like, ooh, I want to try this out, I might like it better than something I previously used before. And also, everybody's hair is different, so I always like to try different hair, different styling products, different jams. Yeah. So today I had ended up trying something a little bit different. I know everybody loves pre-stretched hair. I am not a super fan of the Spectra Easy Braid just because I feel like when I would purchase it, all the packs were not consistent. Some were super thin at the ends, some weren't, and so yeah, I hadn't really been using that. I would always stretch hair myself, but I came across this brand of hair and I absolutely love it. It makes my braids look super neat, and the packs are super consistent, and they have a bunch of different colors, and it is by one of my favorite brands, Expressions. So the hair that I'm using is this 2x pre-stretched Expressions braiding hair. It comes in all different colors. I will make sure I leave a link for you guys in the description section. The things that I love about it is I love the way that it feels on my fingers. So there's something about the ridges in the Expressions hair that I absolutely love. This hair is like really soft and fluffy on my fingers, and then it has that ridge look, which gives just like a more natural look. I also feel like when I use Expressions braiding hair, the grip on it to their natural hair is a lot better, so my braids last a lot longer. Now this hair is 48 inches, and I'm not sure if it comes in longer lengths, but that would be my only complaint, because in order to make this longer, especially for knotless, I have to keep adding in hair, and I really don't mind doing that, but it would be nice just to have like an extended version of this exact hair. But yeah, guys, I absolutely love this hair, and braiding hair does matter. So there are definitely brands of hair that I absolutely will not use, and I had talked about this before in a video. That's why I include the hair in the price for my service, because I want to use the hair that I want to use. And you know, if you tell somebody, okay, I need 4 packs of hair, they go and get 4 cheap packs of hair, and you know, you can really feel that on your fingers, and I'm really big about that. Like, the softer the hair is on my fingers, not only does it protect my fingers, but I can move and braid a lot faster. And so yeah, this is definitely a dope braiding hair. I'll make sure I leave a link in the description section. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I wish it was, but it's not a sponsored video. I just wanted to tell you guys because a lot of you guys ask, and that's how I get my braids to look really neat. Another couple things I wanted to talk about knotless box braids. Guys, I'm like in love with these now. This is like a majority of what I do, and since I started doing these, I feel like when I do regular box braids and I see the knot, it literally drives me insane. I'm like, there's a knot here, like, don't you want to get rid of it? But I do understand that some people love the fullness that they get when they do regular box braids. But I have been seeing people comment and say that the knotless box braids don't last that long. And my clients, I have spoken to most of them, because I'm like, I wonder, you know, if that is true, because I mean, it would kind of make sense because their natural hair is starting with the braid. But all of my clients so far have left their hair for at least 5 weeks, which I think is a lot longer than a lot of them expected this to last. And partly I think that is because when I start my knotless box braiding, you guys can see this in the next clip, I'm going to do it in regular speed. As soon as I cross over for the first part of my braid, I'm adding in a piece of hair. And a lot of people I have seen a lot of people like just start the braid and braid down like 1/2 inch with the client's natural hair. And that could be a reason why their knotless box braids aren't lasting that long. You can still make it look natural adding in that first piece right here. And I do that because it's right at the base of their head. And even though there's not a knot, there's still that synthetic hair gripping on and keeping it tight at the root. And it just makes it look natural still, and it keeps their braid even from top to bottom. So when I'm done with this braid, I'm going to show you guys how the braid is the same length from the top to the bottom. It should not be super skinny and then get super fat towards the end because you're adding in hair. You want to make sure you're matching the density of your client's hair from top to bottom. So here you guys can see how nice and even this braid is. It looks super natural. I love this color. Yes, and I always braid my braids all the way down to the end just because I like the way it looks. It looks a lot neater to me. So yes guys, this is the finished look for this video. If you have tried this hair before, go ahead and leave a comment below and let me know if you liked it or if you loved it. If you haven't already, click the link in the description section, and I'm telling you guys, try this hair out. It feels amazing on your fingers and your braids will turn out so bomb. Yes, I hope you guys love this look on her. She looks beautiful. And yes, that's all for this video, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video.